Peloton Indoor Exercise Bikes. Sold by Amazon.com. Discover the Peloton bike, an indoor exercise experience that transcends ordinary cycling, offering both competitive and leisurely rides. The Peloton bike, compact and adjustable, fits seamlessly into your home, regardless of space constraints. Featuring a resistance knob, stereo speakers, touchscreen, and more, the Peloton bike is designed for a user-friendly, immersive workout experience. The Peloton All Access membership, sold separately, offers unlimited access to a vast library of content for your entire household. The bike requires a 24-inch clearance on all sides, and should be placed in a room with a minimum ceiling height of 8 foot for optimal use. The package includes easy-to-follow assembly instructions and all necessary components. Shoes, mat, and other accessories are sold separately. Explore a variety of classes beyond cycling, track your progress with on-screen metrics, and get motivated with our diverse lineup of instructors. Rated 4.2 stars. Order today for $1,445.